Guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you this Wix designer tip on how to add blog posts to your Wix website. Let's get started. So if you have a blog website, it is already implied that you will have this blog page right here. Now, if you have that blog page, you can head over and click on this pages and menu, and then click on the blog in here. So here's my blog, so I will just click on that in order to head over to that specific page. Another method that you can do is I can just click on this page right here and then navigate the page that you want to head over. Now here I can see all of the blog posts that I have created. This is 1, and this is 2, and this is 3. Now if I want to add a blog post, I can actually just head over and click on this specific thing right here, which is my blog. Now let's click on this, and once you have clicked on that, you can see this manage post. Click on this manage post. And then from in here, you should be able to see this loading screen right here that can help us add some blog posts. Now, adding a blog post means that you need to create another post on your actual blog. Now, for this one, just click on this create new post. Then choose the language for this post. For me, I'll choose English and click on create post. And then from in here, for example, we can add in a title that we want. So, for example, we can put in parenting, or you can also integrate AI in order to create an AI title if you want its help to brainstorm. So in here, I will put in parenting, and it will show me options right here. For example, top 10 tips for effective parenting in a digital age. So let's go and use text right here, and it will actually add that. Now in here, just start writing your post with hashtags and more right here. It totally depends on you what you want. So in here, I will just scribble some letters since I will not be writing this blog, but I recommend you to write your blog. Now from there, just click on publish. Once you have clicked on publish right here, it will be published, and then this will load, and it will show you a new icon, which is this one right here, and you can promote, but just close that one. Now let's also close this one. And in here, you can just scroll down on your manage post right here, and you should be able to see the new post that you have created, which is right here. Now you can already just show 3 posts in here, so just choose which post you want to show. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, leave a like below because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.